In this video, I'm showing you how to buy Safemoon. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. So within this guide, I'm showing you the 4 steps on how to buy Safemoon, which is a cryptocurrency. Now, quick disclaimer, cryptocurrency is insanely high risk, so do your own research, and I'm not telling you to buy it, I'm just showing you how to, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now, this crypto tutorial is going to work on iPhone and Android, so any further ado, let's go and get into this. I'm now on my phone, and let's go and get straight into this tutorial. And this guide is going to work on Android or any Apple device as well, so let's go and get into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the App Store and you need to go and get an app called Trust. It's basically called Trust Wallet, and it allows you to go and create wallets for these sort of small meme coins or altcoins, whatever you want to call them, for cryptocurrency. So all you need to do is go and download it, and then you need to go and create a wallet on it. So it's quite an easy process creating a wallet. You're going to get given a seed phrase, and you should never ever share this seed phrase with anyone, as with the seed phrase, anyone get access to your wallet. So go and put that seed phrase somewhere really safe. So here is my wallet. First thing we need to do is buy some BNB. BNB is basically the coin we use to then go and transfer BNB for Safemoon. You can't buy Safemoon directly, we have to go and buy BNB. To buy BNB, simply click on it here, and then you want to go and click on, in the top right, click on buy. And then you can go enter the amount you'd like, so you can type in the amount, you can enter $150, you can use MoonPay, or you can use any of these providers, depending on the best rate, and then go and click next, and you need to go and fill this information in here, and then go and enter your email, and just run through the whole buying process. It may take some time for the BNB to arrive, but when it does, you can go and continue this tutorial. So as you can see, I've currently got $16 worth of BNB, which is equivalent to 0.05. So once you've got this BNB, you then need to go and transfer it to something called Smart Chain. To do this, click on More, and then go and simply go and click on Swap to Smart Chain like so, and then you can go and enter the amount. Now if you notice, you click on 100%, go and click on Swap, it's going to go and say you do not have enough BNB to cover the fees, and of course that's completely usual because we did 100%. So you need to go and lower the amount here, so I'm going to try this, I may need to lower it again, so I may need to lower it to 0.049 or something like that, and then we can go and click send, as you can see, and then it's going to go and transfer it to Smart Chain. So as you see, swipe up, we've now got 22 cents left, and it's going to take a minute to go and move to Smart Chain. If I swipe up, boom, there we go. Now before we get any further, we need to make sure Safemoon is enabled for this wallet, or it may be hidden. To do this, you want to go to the top right where you've got these sort of 2 lines with dots on, and click there, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and go and click on Add Custom Token. So here, you need to go and add the custom token, which is Safemoon, as sometimes when the Safemoon arrives, it's not visible in the wallet because you haven't added the custom token. So what you want to do is come back to Google. So come back to Google, and then all you need to do is simply search for Safemoon. So you want to make sure you come to safemoon.net. Okay, this is the official site, so safemoon.net, and here we go. Then simply scroll down, and you want to go and find the address. You may need to go and click on buy now, and then look for the address. As you can see here, this is the official Safemoon address, okay? There'll be a fake one, so make sure you come to the official site. So I'm going to copy this address here, and then come back to Trust Wallet and change the network to Smart Chain, that's what we're buying on. Paste in the contract address, and then go and enter the name, which is Safemoon, of course. For the symbol, you can put in Safemoon again as well, like so, and decimals is really important. If you look on BSC scan, which is a Binance Smart Chain way of looking at tokens, you've got 9 decimals, okay? If you put in the wrong decimals, it's going to display the wrong amount of money. So then go and press 9 and go and press done, and you can go and click save. And there we go. As you can see, my Safemoon has now been added. I've currently got $9, which I previously bought, and now let's go and get some more. So let's go and do this. So if you're on Android, you're going to have an inbuilt browser in it, which has now been removed for iPhone, but there's an easy alternative, and the tutorials run basically exactly the same. So if you're on Android, come to the bottom bar and click on the DApp browser. If you're on iPhone, simply go and open up Safari, and we're going to go to the same website. So all you want to do is simply come to Google, and we're going to go and search for something called PancakeSwap. Or you can go straight to pancakeswap.finance, and you copy that into the DApp browser if you're on Android. So let's go and get into this. So come to the website, and then go to the top left where you've got those 3 lines, click there, click on trade, and click on exchange. Then it's just loading, and you want you to go to the top right where it says connect. Click on connect. Now if you're on an Android, you want to click on Trust Wallet, but if you're on an iPhone, you need to go and click on Wallet Connect. So click on Wallet Connect if you're on an iPhone, then go and click on Trust. It's going to open up Trust and get this connection, so click on connect if you agree, and then move back, and as you can see, we've now connected. However, if you're using the DApp browser on Android, you may need to go and change what currency you're converting. So you need to go to the top left and it may have an Ethereum logo. If it does, click there and change it to Binance Smart Chain. Otherwise you won't be able to trade your BNB. So then once you've got all sorted and we've got our BNB selected here, as you can see it's now selected, you then need to go to the toolbox, so just click select the currency, and you need to go and search for Safemoon like so, and it's then going to appear. And then we need to go and set the slippage, which is basically how much the price varies. So click on those three sort of lines here, click there, and then we need to go and enter 12. As you can see currently it's 0.5, so change that to 12 and then go and click done, and you can exit off this and then enter the amount of BNB you'd like to trade. So it says your balance in the top right, so I'm going to go and personally trade 0.01 like so, and then you can click done and click on swap and then click confirm swap, and it's going to open up Trust Wallet. Click send. It's going to tell you the total and stuff, and as you can see the transaction has now submitted. Now I recommend now logging out. It's now submitted. Click log out here and then move back to Trust Wallet. You can click cancel, click OK, and then here we are. So then if we now swipe up, it's going to update with our new tokens. As you can see, I've now got the updated amount, guys. It's that easy to go and buy Safemoon. If you did find this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.